Hello teacher, hello friend. Today I will show you how to take care of the plant. This is all we need. Cup, dish, pong, and small towel. So now put the water in the dish. Then get the sponge wet with water. Now let's clean the leaf. So now the plant is clean. So now for the big tree, we have to water them.